Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is under which section of the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019 is the term transgender defined? Option A, Section 2, A option B, Section 2, K option C, Section 3, C option D, Section 5, B. The correct answer is option B, Section 2K. Recently, in the Kabir Se Viruddh versus State of Kerala and another case, the Kerala High Court directed the state government to provide a reservation to transgender persons. The term transgender is defined in Section 2K of the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights, Act 2019. Second question is, what does Section 2F of the Domestic Violence Act define? Option A, penalties for domestic violence. Option B, support mechanisms for victims. Option C, domestic relationships. Option D, procedures for obtaining protection orders. The correct answer is option C, domestic relationships. Recently, in the X versus Y case, the Delhi High Court ruled that two individuals living together in a shared household in a relationship in the nature of marriage qualify as being in a domestic relationship under the Domestic Violence Act 2005. Section 2F of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 defines domestic relationships. Third question is Section 22A of the Registration Act empowers registering officer to, option A, register the documents. Option B, accept the documents. Option C, change the documents. Option D, refuse to register. The correct answer is option D, refuse to register. Section 22A of the Registration Act 1908 talks about registration of the documents which is opposed to public policy. This section empowers the registering officer to refuse to register such documents. Fourth question is, which of the following best describes a Karta in a Hindu joint family? Option A, owner of the family. Option B, supervisor of the family. Option C, creator of the family. Option D, manager of the family. The correct answer is option D, manager of the family. Under Hindu law, a Karta is the manager of a joint family and its assets. Karta is in charge of managing the family's day-to-day expenditure, taking care of the family members, and protecting the joint family property. Hindu law presumes the senior-most male member of Hindu joint family as a Karta. The position of Karta is sui generis. Last question is, Part 3 of the Constitution of India guarantees option A, citizenship. Option B, directive principles of state policy. Option I, C, fundamental rights. Option D, fundamental duties. The correct answer is option C, fundamental rights. Part 3 of the Constitution of India, which includes Articles 12 to 35, enshrines the fundamental rights. Part 3 of the Constitution is described as the Magna Carta of India. Now it's time for practice question under the Section 45 of the Evidence Act. The opinion of the expert can be for option A, handwriting or finger impression. Option B, foreign law, science or art. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.